Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. Now of course guys, today I'm going to show you a new feature that has been enabled on the Switch 2 and also it's on the original Switch, and of course it's software handling. And what this does, it basically allows your device, which is while it's in either handheld mode or desktop mode, to basically perform as if it was attached to a TV. Now this is great in terms of boosting the graphics, meaning of course games can look better as they're on your device, such as you're using them in portability mode, as the device will upscale the graphics. All right, so this I think is more evident on the Switch one, but you can actually turn it on the Switch 2. All right, so to do this, number one, make sure you're on the latest software update, and of course this was a recent update and addition. You're gonna go to system settings, as just seen. You're gonna scroll all the way down. You're gonna go to system, and of course once you're in here, if you haven't updated already, go ahead and update. All right, so currently I'm on 22.0.0. all right, and anything that high as that and above, it should be available. All right, so you're gonna scroll all the way down and the option should be here, and here it is. It says Nintendo Switch software handling. All right, so remember it works on the original Switch and the Switch 2. So it's Nintendo Switch software handling. So you need to turn this on. I'm not going to turn it on, however you can turn it on, and it basically breaks it down here as to what it does. Now what it's going to do, it's one, it's going to consume a lot more battery, so bear that in mind in terms of your battery life. So when enabled, this option causes the performance of the Switch software while undocked to run as if they were being played on the TV mode. While this can result in improved visuals, as I just said, it may also increase the system's power consumption. So all right, the effective handling handheld mode boost will vary based on the software. Some Nintendo Switch software will be unaffected. So some things will see an improvement, some will not. Because this option forces the TV mode operation, some instructions may be incorrect or fail to operate correctly. So some things might fail to operate as well. Handheld mode boosts may prevent Nintendo Switch software from using the system touchscreen. All right, so bear that in mind as well while this is on. So you may want to selectively turn this on, and whenever it's not being used, you turn it off. To use other controllers, first detach the Joy-Con 2 controllers from the console. So that's just a warning as to this boost. All right, so you can go ahead and press A. It will activate, or of course you can come in here and turn it off. All right, so that's a new feature and definitely one worth checking out, guys, especially for your older games. So if you have a Switch 1 game, you can go ahead and try it on those to see if you get a boost. And of course, guys, see you in the next one. Bye.